Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to show you some basic and healthy recipes that you can make yourself while you're keeping safe at home. Let's start with the breakfast. Boil the eggs and cut them in slices. Smash the avocado. Add the olive oil, lime, salt, and pepper. Spread the avocado on the bread. Add the eggs. And the sliced tomatoes on top. I prepared this recipe the night before. Combine the oats, Greek yogurt, milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and salt. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. Then add the banana and raspberries before you eat. And finish it with some cinnamon on top. You can also do it with cocoa powder. Use the same ingredients as before and add some cocoa powder with your favorite toppings. Marinate the chicken with seasonings. Leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Heat the oil and fry the chicken on medium heat until it's brown. Add the chopped onion and tomato. Cook over low heat and cover with a lid. The chicken will be ready in about 45 minutes. Slice the potatoes and add the oregano. Thyme. Rosemary. White pepper. Nutmeg. And salt. Set the oven to 200 degrees and cook for around 20 minutes. Flip the potatoes and finish cooking in about 5 to 10 minutes. In a pot, cover the onions, carrots and potatoes with water. Bring to a boil and cook until totally soft. Don't drain the cooking water. Add salt and pepper. If you like, you could add some cheese or butter too. Use the mixture to mash everything until it becomes creamy. These recipes are so tasty. I hope you like them. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.